Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to film a very short video, and I did not intend on filming it, but I was craving something sweet and I decided to make this. I'll just show you the ingredients. So here we have some toast that we've cut into like thirds, 2 eggs, we're going to need some vanilla powder, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 3 tablespoons of sugar, a cup of milk, and some butter. So we're going to melt our butter on medium heat. So we're going to wait for our butter to melt. And in a mixing bowl, we're going to mix in the milk, eggs, sugar, and about a pinch of vanilla powder. And also the cinnamon. And we're just going to give it a good whisk. For some reason, I really like the sound created by the eggs mixing into the milk. I don't know, I just find it really relaxing. And now we're just going to take the sticks, the toast pieces. We're going to just dip them into the egg mixture, and we're going to fry them into the butter. So I did not like using the tongs, and I'm just going to use my fingers, my hands. So just telling you this, do not put the bread pieces into the milk and just leave them, because it's going to soak up and they're just going to be soggy and crumble up, which obviously we don't want that. So just make sure to avoid putting the bread pieces into the eggs. And once they turn golden brown, make sure they have color. We do not want them to look white. Just make sure to gently flip them to the other side. And once they're golden brown on both edges, we're just going to put them into a platter or a plate with paper towels on top to soak up any excess oil. Once we've fried them now and they're really nice and crispy, we're going to garnish them. And here we have sugar, and we're going to add some cinnamon and just give it a mix. And now we're just going to take one of the sticks and just toss it into the cinnamon and sugar, and it's not going to really stick since it's not that wet, but this is just to add some nice sweetness to it. So this is what it looks like. We've decorated it with some blackberries, and here we have just some chocolate. And once again, I'm not really going to show myself because I was not expecting this video. I was just craving something sweet, and my brother also said he wanted it when he smelled it. So I'm just going to taste right now. And my brother also couldn't wait, so he's also going to try in one.
My opinion is that it tastes very good, and my sister makes a lot of good stuffs. Thank you.
You're welcome. So I know for a fact that these won't make it to the table, and so I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you like this easy and simple recipe. And I'm just gonna go and eat these, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video where I'll actually show myself, and yeah, goodbye.